open the file, open the program. Okay, for the first time when you open up the program, you will need to activate it. So to do that, you will need to go to the DVD, open up the Wow underscore Keygen, open that folder, and this is the Keygen file. This is a Java program, so you need to install Java to your computer before you can open this file. Okay, just open this up. So that's the Keygen program. Okay, let's go back to the Wow software here. Just press registration and press registration form. In the registration form, you need to follow me to enter this information. In the client number, enter 999, company just XXX, address is XXX, town or city is XXX, postal code 12345, contact person XXX, telephone 123456, and then skip to username. It's WOW, code word is WOW, and press enter. Press continue. And in the profile, you choose Wow Pro. Article, you choose full description, and press add. And then do it again, choose BMW, choose open license, and press add. And then do it again, choose Mercedes-Benz, and choose open license, and press add. Okay, and then press print. Okay. In a while there will be a registration form showing up. You will need to use this code to calculate the activation code. On your computer, the registration code will be different than mine, so just type that in anyway. So then choose Wow Pro and take this box unlimited and press calculate. Okay. Now you need to enter this activation code to program. Okay, and enter new client number, it was 999, and press activate. Okay, and in this page it will ask you to update online, so just don't do it, just press later. Okay, and now you can see the Pro package is activated, the expiry date is unlimited. And do the same things on these two packages, the BMW and the Mercedes-Benz. Okay, so choose BMW open license and calculate. Copy this activation code to the program. Press activate. And the bands as well. Activation code. Let's copy this. Okay, and press activate. Okay, so you're done now. just press close to restart the program. Okay, so everything is done. The program is ready to use. So let's try here.